All right, everybody, Holmes here. I just wanted to show you how to deal with the points that we're going to be working with small specimens. And rather than shoving a pin through a little tiny insect, we're going to go ahead and glue them to a point. So I'm going to show you, this is the point punch. It's just a regular old hole punch. However, it cranks out a little triangle here. And some of them crank out teardrop shapes and stuff like that, but that is a point. The main thing is we have a wider spot and a narrower spot, and the narrow stuff is going to go and attach to the insect. So I've got a pin here, and the first step is to chase down the wide point of a point, the wide part of the point, and get it stuck to the pin. Now, if I were to just stick it directly into this foam here, you'll notice that I have completely bent the thing and it looks hideous, and I would be very embarrassed. However, one little trick is you use a book, your favorite book. Well, actually, don't use your favorite book. But you can see I've kind of used this a couple of times before. I hold the pages together not super tightly, but loose enough to where I can shove the pin in, and then when I pull that out, it's pretty straight. And so now we are good to go. The next step, with glue, we need to attach our little insect, and yes, I'm going to use little Elmer's right here, and we've got our very small fly, and the easiest way I found is to actually take the lid off and tilt it, not to where you pour glue all over your house, but just to where it's starting to come out. Shove it in the glob of glue and lift up. Whoa! All right, out of control. I'm going to clean that up just a little bit. And you have a tiny dot of glue at the tip of the point, and then all you need to do is come in and just touch it to the little tiny insect, and it's mounted. It's on there. The glue should dry pretty quickly, and then the next thing you need to do is just go ahead and get your data label on it. So this is the finished product. I got a little cute little bug, nice little fly from Mono Lake here. This one's an old one. It's headless, but it's going to work for this application. So anyway, that's about it. So that's how you use points. That's what you're going to do with the points in your bug boxes that I've provided you. Thanks.